Now, after all these years together and things we've been through, you have nothing to say to me, really. Nothing. You know, that's very sad. I still remember the day I found you. I was ecstatic to have found you amongst all the others. I found you, and you were so glad that I picked you. I mean, the fuzzy feeling we had. God, those were the days. And we did so many projects. There are a few sticky moments here, quite a lot actually. But I mean, we did so many things together. And you were so loyal back then. I don't know what happened to you. And to tell you the truth, I don't think I can ever trust you again. And I think there's only one thing we can do, and that is to let our followers decide.
No clamps, no screws in view, just a little tape and glue. Tape and glue, it's the way to go. Hold it strong, let the pieces flow. No slipping, no sliding, trust me, it's true. Nothing holds like tape and glue.